Over.
5 years passed, and a great grief came upon the nation.
Without his beloved golden nightingale to comfort him, our cherished emperor has fallen gravely ill, and will surely pass away within the next few hours.
Sad. Apart from all the trampling, I quite liked him.
If only he could have hung on a bit longer. They say his successor's only 7 years old, which means interesting times ahead for us, and no mistake.
And all because of a broken-down toy songbird. I wonder.
It's time to remember your good deeds and the not so good. The hospitals you built for the poor, and the many bruised ribs they treated from all those tramplings you ordered. Now, sing, Golden Nightingale, sing. After all those gifts I lavished upon you, sing, you ungrateful bird. It's time to remember your good deeds and the not so good.
Well, how was I supposed to know they'd really go and trample on them? I didn't mean it. I was just kidding. No sense of humour, some people.
Let's go home, child. He doesn't want to know, and I don't really blame him.
Just a bit longer, Grandpa, please. Nightingale, Nightingale, the Emperor needs you to sing for him. We all need you.
You don't talk much, do you? A game of chess, perhaps, to make the time pass more quickly? Oh, what are you waiting for? Just get it over with and take me wherever it is I'm supposed to be, will you?
Oh, Nightingale, is that you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Huh? How can I ever repay you?
You have already rewarded me, Your Highness, with the tears you wept when first I ever sang to you. Those are the jewels which gladden the heart of a singer.
Stay with me, Nightingale. I'll break that useless clockwork bird into 1,000 pieces.
Don't do that. It tried its best, so look after it. Besides, I really don't like living in a cage. I have to fly free, or my song loses all its joy. Don't worry. I'll come and sing to you whenever I can. I'll sing about how your people live in the real world, beyond your delicate palace and neatly laid out gardens. From the poor fisherman to the lowly palace kitchen maid. I'll sing about all the good deeds done in your name, and the tramplings. Just promise me one thing.
Anything?
Tell no one you have a little nightingale who tells you everything. It'll be better that way.
Prepare for the worst. I heard the Emperor rambling to himself in the middle of the night. His physicians say that's a certain sign it's all over.
Don't be so sure. I heard the nightingale singing.
Good morning, everyone. Lovely tales. How come you're not surprised to see me, child?
A little birdie told me.
Is that so? Now there's a coincidence. You must show me where he lives sometime. Do you know, I haven't been out for a walk in the country for years.
And that is a true story.